Alright, welcome to Hiking and Homesteading. Today is a hiking day. We're gonna go see some waterfalls, aren't we, Gunner? Also got Tanner here. Say hey, Tanner. But anyways, gonna get an evening hike in before it gets dark, hopefully. I'm gonna go see some waterfalls, and we'll show them to you guys in a second. Alright, we're on the trail, and Gunner fell asleep on the way here. And 99 times out of 100, that means this is gonna happen. Look, here comes Cash to check on you. Don't come over, Cash. It's alright. Hey. It's okay, buddy. Eat your goldfish. Hiking on through here, cutting the daylight a little short. I think Gunner's finally calmed down. Say, hey, Tanner boy. Nah, he's still whining. Say, hey, Gunner. Gunner says, hey. Anyways, we're hiking to a really pretty waterfall. I don't say the name of this one because it's pretty private and I don't really want a ton of people knowing about it. But if you want to private message me, I'll share with you guys what waterfall it is. But we're here in the mountains of North Carolina. Look at all the beautiful greenery, and we're heading to the waterfall. We'll see you guys there. Right, ended up having to carry him and still have Tanner on the back and dodging tree limbs, but luckily nobody else is on the trail today. I know that because we were the only car parked at the trailhead, and there's only one trailhead, so we were able to let Cash off his leash so he can free rein, and he does pretty good on his leash. He doesn't pull too bad, but you still got to deal with another thing when you got him on the leash. Whoop, hung on a branch. Hey, Cash. Okay. Figured I'd give you guys some uninterrupted trail time. So. I want you to see it through our eyes. Getting close, you can hear it. You can see the roaring creek down there. Man, the water level's high. Such a soothing sound though. Alright. We're cutting it close on daylight, but I think we're still gonna have some good views here. Here's our first waterfall. I'm thinking, hold my hand, Gunner. And water level really high. Alright, check that out. How far up there that goes. One huge fall. Comes down to here. Say hey, Gunner. Hey. Back down all the way down to there. I'll stop right there, probably 15 feet or so, but hey. Hey. Yeah. All right. That was waterfall number 1. Now, on the way to this one, man, these never get old. And the water level's really high right now, so it is really pretty. It's a good day to see waterfalls, and it is beautiful here. Kind of coming into a little bit cooler fall weather. Somebody left a french fry. No, that's a mushroom, buddy. There's a fire pit. That'd be an awesome spot to camp. I'm gonna do that one day. You wanna camp there when you get older?
Yeah.
With the fire?
Yeah.
And tent?
Yeah.
Actually, could probably do that this weekend. Check that out. Where you at, Gunner?
We have a waterfall.
Waterfall? Where's it at?
Right there.
Let's see. Whoa, look at that. Man, that is pretty. Say, hey, Gunner.
Hey.
Where we at, buddy?
We're at a waterfall.
We're at a waterfall. What are you eating? What are you eating, bud?
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? What do you think, Tanner? You having a good time, buddy? Ah? Say a little something in the camera. Look at that. Man, I'm so blessed that is like 20 to 30 minutes from my house. So if I get home from a day of work or I'm in front of the computer a lot and I want to get out and enjoy some scenery, I just hop in the car, take the kids, be right over here, and just hike for like 5-10 minutes, and here it is. Just hang out, enjoy it. Gunner, come back. Just want to show you guys one more last view of the waterfall on our way out. You can see we're kind of running out of daylight, so we better get on down the trail. What do you think? Good? Get another video of this waterfall. This one, you got to really see it in person to see the depth of it. I mean, it goes way up there. There's several little cascades you can't quite capture on a camera unless you have like a drone or something. But it's really cool. Hiking on out. Good job, Gunner. Go, Gunner, go. Boy can hike. All right. Hiking on out. Say, hey, Tanny. Tanner's chattering up a storm. Dada, I know. You're Dada's buddy, aren't you? Man, I know I keep saying it, but just a great evening to get out, spend time with the kids after work, enjoy the peaceful nature, the nice hike. This is a tricky part because the branches are so low. And whoop, Tanner sits higher than I am, so he always catches the branches. All right, hiking through Narnia. Gunner said that looked like a, well, I guess you guys can see, it's too dark. Looked like a tunnel. Man, you're hiking much better than you were when we got here. Forest. Did you move super fast? Tell him.
Yeah.
He said, I moved super fast to get here. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You ready to go home?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to go to bed?
No. And more hiking.
And more hiking? Well, it's getting dark. Don't pick your nose.
Alright.
All right, just finished a good hike. Got out just in time for the start. Did you have fun, Gunner?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see if we can cut this on. See. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What'd we do?
And go hiking.
What'd we go see?
And a waterfall.
All right. Tanner, did you have fun, bud? Yeah? He actually didn't want to get back in his car seat. Did you have fun, Cashew? All right, thanks for following us, guys. If you like this video, do 3 things. Like, subscribe, and follow, and comment if you want. Tell us other ideas, homesteading stuff you want to see, hiking stuff you want to see. If you want to see videos blended, hiking, homesteading together. If you like hiking one separate, homesteading one separate, give us feedback. Let us know what you guys like. And again, we'll see you guys on our next adventure. Oh, we're back. Had to show you guys this roadside waterfall on our way back. Goes down through there. Look at that view too. Anyways, like I said, like, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you guys in the woods.